In this next segment, we're going to be using the star tip. And as you can see, I have my green icing here. All I did was mix in regular food coloring. It's really simple, just to get the green color, and I loaded it in my bag. I have the larger star tip, number 21, and I'm going to show you how to create the star tip. You want to hold your bag vertically above the surface, and without touching. You want to be up about an eighth of an inch. Squeeze out the icing, get it as wide as you want, and then release it. Making sure each star is right next to each other. And this tip can also be used to fill in a large area on a cake just by going in between two other stars and squeezing the same way. You can fill in a whole space pretty quickly. So we're going to make a little wreath on our front door here. I'll show you how it works. We've got these little red candies here that we can just plop right in. Might want to outline a path. Keeping your bag as vertical as you can. And there you go. That's your star tip.